Hey guys, sorry for the late update. I went hiking up a river canyon over the weekend on Sunday, and I jumped off a small waterfall and sprained my ankle. So I've been like a little slow these past few days. Really sorry about that. I've been again. I had my friend do the hole punching for me, and yeah, it's certainly much more enjoyable. Yeah, I just sit there and watch something on TV while my friend dabs me from behind, and a lot less dripping, and it really seems a lot more efficient. If you can get somebody to do that for you, I definitely would. One thing I didn't mention in previous videos about the experience in purchasing AlpaInfuse was the lack of support. I emailed them in the past, didn't get a reply, and I've also tried the chat bot. They have a chat bot on the bottom of their website, and even the bot doesn't really reply. It just says, we'll get back to you, put in your email address. I put in my email address and I just got more direct messages, not direct messages, mail, advertising. So yeah, that's another really bad thing about AlpaInfuse. But the worst thing is I really don't see any hair growth. We'll compare it with past videos. I'll put them up. This area here seems to be growing. I try to keep it short for you guys, well, and for myself, so we can see more easily. Okay, actually, I am going to try my other camera and see if I can get a clearer shot. All right, let's take a look, and like I said, I'll put some comparison videos next to it. Hopefully, there's some kind of growth. How long have I been doing this? Hold on. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 2 months, right? I'm halfway through, so 2 more months. I bought the 4-month pack, so halfway through. So we should be seeing growth soon, right? Between 2 and 3 months is when they said we'll start seeing new growth. Basically, what this serum is doing is it's protecting the follicles from the DHT, I think it's called, the something testosterone. It's a byproduct of male hormone, and I guess we've got those of us who are balding pulled a bad lottery ticket that gave us follicles that don't like that particular male hormone, and they shrink when it's around them. The natural ingredients in this glowing green AlpaInfuse is supposed to. That's another. I made another mistake on that one. I'm gonna have to use pliers to open that. But anyway, the ingredients in this is supposed to keep that particular hormone away from the follicles and give them a chance to regrow. All right, enough of that. Let's switch cameras and we'll finish this up real quick. All right, so compared to when I first started this, which was exactly 2 months from today, I started, well, almost exactly. I started June 14th, I think it was, and today's August 14th or 13th. So yeah, exactly 2 months, and we should be seeing results by next video, right? At least a little bit, hope. All right, well, fingers crossed, guys, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.